What's going on, everybody? It is Dan with Right Now Powder Coating, and it is December 26, 2020, and it is time for our end of the year predictions on where we're going next year, just like our intro video right now. I just got done watching it, and I've got a couple predictions, what I want to do next year, and where I think the channel's going. So let's get right into it. What is going on, everybody, and thank you for watching our intro video on our main page here on YouTube. I wanted to take a moment to thank everyone for a great 2020 year. We have grown outstandingly. Is that a word? I don't know. We went from under 1,000 subscribers to over 3,000 subscribers, and that's because of every single one of you. So thank you very much. We are much appreciative of every single one of you. Looking back on last year, we accomplished almost everything we set out to do, minus this Corvette back here, which I'm only about a quarter of the way through sanding. So we've got a lot of work to do on that. Hopefully in 2021, maybe 2022, we'll get this thing into that inflatable Chinese booth and get it painted, but no promises on that. I am looking forward to 2021, and here's what we plan on doing in the new year. Starting off, you've noticed we've kind of added some more fabrication videos, so we hope to kind of keep doing that. We've got our CNC plasma table from Boss Tables. He's a local guy up in Decorah, Iowa. Great table, great construction, love it. We'll do a video on it sometime, kind of reviewing it now that we've used it for about 6 months-ish. Awesome table, awesome support, great guy to work with. We also have a Rogue Fab bender, heavily encouraged to go that way by our buddy BJ at Praska Boys Garage, another guy we hope to do a lot with in 2021. And we're constantly looking for new fabrication tools. We got our new Miller-Matic 255. That's an amazing welder. Couldn't be happier with it. We built a brand new blast room. We aren't quite there on setting it up and getting it going, but we're really close. We've got some big changes possibly happening around here. We're looking at maybe putting up a second shop where we can move our metal fabrication side too, because we have some huge goals on that side this year. And as always, we're going to keep on cranking out the powder coating videos for all of you loyal fans. If there's anything you want to see in the new year or throughout the year, because this video will be up till the end, let us know in the comments down below, and we will do our best to get them out for you. But again, I want to thank everybody for a great 2020 year. I hope you all had a great Christmas, and I look forward to seeing every single one of you, plus many more, in 2021. We'll see you over there. Oh, hey, how's it going? B-roll. That subscribe button, make sure to give us a thumbs up, and we will see you in 2021.